Greetings, fellow baking enthusiasts. Welcome back to IBCA. Today we're here to guide you with the various techniques associated with various desserts specific to their culture. Our first destination is the heart of French Pâtisserie. The special technique here lies in the meticulous process of laminating the dough, layering butter between thin sheets, creating those irresistible flaky layers that make every bite a heavenly experience. Now let's immerse ourselves in the art of making tiramisu. The secret technique here is in the delicate balance of soaking the ladyfingers in espresso and layering them with the velvety mascarpone cream. Our journey takes us to India, where we'll master the art of making Gulab Jamun and Jalebi. The technique to highlight here is the art of frying. Achieving the perfect golden brown exterior while maintaining a soft and spongy interior requires finesse and a keen eye for temperature control. Till it's tea time in the United Kingdom, the special technique lies in the gentle handling of the dough to ensure a light and fluffy texture. Avoid overmixing to preserve the delicate crumb that makes these classics truly exceptional. Our journey wouldn't be complete without the Middle Eastern delight baklava. The unique technique here is in handling the thin layers of phyllo dough with precision. Layering them with a mixture of nuts and butter requires a gentle touch to achieve the perfect balance of crispiness and sweetness. If you're as captivated by these global desserts as our students at IBCA, and you're eager to delve deeper into the world of baking, consider joining IBCA.